we here today. We about to do this thing, and we just got this car in. So I got my man Aaron, the shy guy.
The shop guy? The cameraman?
The shy guy.
Oh.
The shy guy.
Cameraman.
The cameraman. See, he can talk behind the mask, but he can't talk, you know. Yeah. So I got him working now. And what we are doing today is my boy Dev brought his car in. He just purchased his car. And if y'all interested, the car's got 63,000 miles on it. So listen, yo, Aaron is a character. So you see this? See that oil dripping out of there? All this is oil that's coming out of, it's pissing out of the turbo. Look at the ground, folks. So, and this is what happened. Well, as you can see, that broke off of that's missing, and there goes the other piece to that. And then there's no flange on that, and we gotta replace the turbo. So you know what? I'm gonna flip this camera around. Say hi, Aaron.
Goodbye.
He said hi.
No, I said goodbye.
He said hi.
I said goodbye.
Hi.
Hasta luego.
He's saying peace. So we gonna be back. And here's what it is. Wow, this car's got a lot to deal with. But as you may be able to see, look at the turbo.
As soon as I started unscrewing the nuts that were on there,
It started coming out, right? So we gotta change that turbo. And it's a VF40 in here, so we're gonna replace it with another VF40. I guess we're gonna have to do these axles, both sides.
oh shit.
You didn't even peep that, huh? Yeah, this thing is saturated. So I guess the oil is low, huh? It's gotta be. But, so that's what it's gonna be. Yeah, you got Aaron at the helm. He's gonna be doing all this work.
I lost the flashlight.
He lost the flashlight, folks. How did you lose the flashlight, Aaron? I don't know what to tell you. Hey, listen, and I just purchased this truck. See that F-250 outside?
Runs mint.
Runs mint. It's got 102,000 miles on it.
Still a baby for a 93.
And it's a 93 6-cylinder.
Custom too. Don't forget custom.
Yeah, it's a custom truck also.
You gotta show them the back lift and everything, how the back lift works.
Say that again?
You have to show how the back lift works and everything.
The lift gate, you mean? Yeah. Popping, huh? Yeah.
Lucky I didn't buy it.
Yeah. Why is that?
I was thinking about it.
Why is that?
Because we need it for here.
Oh. I see.
It's the new Subiax truck.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
So what are we doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
I want to pick up some toolboxes probably.
Gotta pick up some toolboxes. Gotta go get some parts for this car.
Yep.
Gotta go get some parts. Oh yeah. So here we go, folks. So now, and Aaron found the flashlight back in the toolbox where it's been. So I'm working on this Outback, as you see, 2010, and I had to do rear hub bearings today. So now look at this. It was so bad I couldn't even get the ABS sensor out until after the fact. So you see what happened? It broke, so now I gotta replace that. So that line goes there, and up there. So I gotta take all that out, replace this ABS sensor, and I have to replace these guards. Because I can't give the customer back the car with these guards looking like this. Because what would that say about me? And yeah. What's that? He said I'm a piece of shit. Isn't that what a lot of people been saying about me anyway? Ah, fuck 'em. Appreciate you. I love you too, bro. Yeah. So yeah, and this side. So what I'm gonna do is put some anti-seize in between here before I put the new bearings in. At least I saved this one. This ABS sensor, but couldn't save that. Yeah. So that's my next move. So I have to go pick up these parts tomorrow. And I told the customer that he's going to need to change these bushings. Excuse the whiteness in my hands, but I just got some gas spilled on them. So, but you see that? You got to replace those also. And the brake pads are low. Huh? All right, Aaron, I'm signing out. I'm signing out, Aaron. What are we gonna do? Oh shit! You ready, bro?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You about to tackle this?
I already
So
did,
can you explain to the people what's going on here?
I already did tackle it.
What are they saying?
A blink turbo.
Yeah? Look at this, folks. Turbo is not supposed to look like that on the inside. You know where all that oil is coming from? All that oil is coming from? That shaft is probably broken. Well, not even probably. I know it's broken. And the oil is just coming through where it's still supposed to be. So Aaron's about to get this out and on and popping, and you'll see y'all in a little bit. Peace out.